Welcome to Azure Juice.
Take one. Cheers.
Can we take one?
Take one.
My name is Ronald and I'm a product owner, developer at Wortell. And well, this is?
My name is Jorrit Meijer and I work as technical lead for the cloud division at Wortell.
But you do many more, right?
Yeah, I do some more stuff. I'm also active in the community. I organize Azure meetups. I go to a lot of events, so yeah,
great.
I'm really down into the Azure stuff.
That's great.
Yeah, so hence the Azure Juice.
Yeah, and this is new. So Azure Juice is all about experiences we encountered on our daily job, and we're going to tell you about our own personal experiences, but also things about Ignite, what's new.
Yeah, the book of news. Indeed, some stuff we see at customers, some problems we run into ourselves that need to be fixed. And always the latest news.
Yeah, and we do this without any slides or PowerPoint. We just refer to some links if there's more techie stuff in there, and then we wrote technical blogs about it and we will link to them.
Yeah.
But this is all free format. This is, well, pretty simple.
Yeah, we will just talk and talk a lot of nonsense probably, but it will be fine.
Much.
And we intend to release a blog every month.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, very short ones, few minutes.
3 most.
Yeah. And yeah, every month there will be something to share, and well, we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
So if you liked our post
and you want more Azure Juice,
yeah, then make sure to like
and subscribe.
Yeah, hit the bell icon and we will see you next time.
Nou, fantastisch.
Fantastisch, ja. En nou nog in het Engels.
Is dit, this is take
live?
one?
Is dit live?
Is this live?
Ja? Take one.